How to extend or mirror your Mac screen to an iPad with Sidecar. With a Sidecar feature on in Mac OS, your iPad can be a second display for your Mac. Here, how to use your Apple tablet as an external monitor. Table of contents. Let's say you want a second screen for your Mac to extend or mirror your current display. If you are running Mac OS Catalina or higher and on an iPad, you can do it through a feature called Sidecar. Sidecar extends the display from your Mac to your iPad to give you more space to work or play. You can also mirror what's on your Mac display to the tablet, so you don't have to sit in front of the computer to continue using it. When your Mac and iPad are connected, you are able to use touch gestures on your tablet, edit text using editing features in iPad OS, and use an Apple Pencil on your iPad to work with Mac apps. A sidebar puts modifier keys such as Command, Control, Shift, and Option on your tablet so you can better control your Mac, and a touch bar offers app-specific control at the bottom of your iPad screen even if your Mac does not have a touch bar. Which Mac and iPad models support Sidecar? To use Sidecar, you shall need Apple devices that supports the feature. Sidecar compatible Macs include the following models: MacBook from 2016 or later, MacBook Pro from 2016 or later, MacBook Air from 2018 or later, iMac from 2016 or later, or the Retina 5K 27-inch from late 2015, iMac Pro, Mac Mini from 2018 or later, Mac Pro from 2019 or later. Your iPad will also need to be running iPad OS 13.1 or higher and support the Apple Pencil. You don't need a pencil bar, but some sidecar action are easier with the pencil than with your finger. Supported models include the following: iPad Pro, all models, 6th generation iPad or later, 5th generation iPad Mini or later, 3rd generation iPad Air or later. Turn on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and hand off. To use Sidecar over a wireless connection, your Mac and iPad must both be connected to the same Wi-Fi network and sign into iCloud with the same Apple ID. Both devices must have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled and within 30 feet of each other. Wi-Fi plus cellular iPad cannot be sharing a cellular connection, and your Mac cannot be sharing its internet connection. You also need to turn on the handoff feature, which allows different Apple devices to communicate with one another. On your Mac, open System Setting, General, AirDrop and Handoff, or System Preferences and Channel for older devices. Then enable Allow Handoff between this Mac and your iCloud devices. On your iPad, go to Setting, into General, AirPlay and Handoff, and turn on Handoff. If you want to keep your iPad charged during the Sidecar connection, you can plug it directly into your Mac, but that limits the freedom and flexibility you might want with your iPad on Ether to your computer. Update your Mac and iPad. We are several generations past Mac OS Catalina, but if you have not updated to that OS or one of the more current version, you shall need it to for Sidecar. Your Mac should automatically present the necessary update for you to install, but you can also check via About This Mac software update into upgrade now.